Hello and welcome to this training. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Canva to create awesome design. As a matter of fact, this is a beginner's masterclass in Canva design. And if you watch this video to the end, I bet you by the end of this video, you'll be able to create, you'll be able to familiarize yourself with Canva and be able to create amazing design at any time. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all the things that you need to know when creating design on Canva. All right, so let me quickly do a Canva versus Photoshop analysis right here, because I just want to do a comparison between Canva and Photoshop, because some persons will ask me, oh, should I learn, I want to learn graphic design, should I learn Canva or should I learn Photoshop? All right, both of them are, like you can see, Canva versus Photoshop, which is better. In comparison, there is really no need to compare both of them, because both of them are designed to. Photoshop can do amazing things that Canva cannot do, and the truth is that Canva can do amazing things that Photoshop cannot do. Not necessarily in terms of effect or efficiency or creativity, but the thing is that for Canva, you have this leverage for creating faster designs, like having to create faster design by just using a template that is already on board, while in Photoshop you will may have to create from scratch. All right, so I can't really tell you that Canva is better. No, Photoshop is better. Is if you learn both of them, you will know how to use. You will know when and how you need both of them at every uh, point in time. All right, Canva is basically designed to, and is meant to be used in the web browser. That means that by processing of your design, it takes place in the cloud, and you have your work stored up in the cloud. All right, so that's one thing I like about Canva. It have both the web app, the desktop application, and the mobile versions. On the other hand, Photoshop is a creative tool that is to create amazing uh, design with effect and a lot of things. So let me just leave this theory. Let's go face to practical, right? So what I mean by Canva is a design tool. Like, you are looking for any design. Let's say you're looking for a restaurant design. You just go over here, type restaurant, and boom, you click on your template, because templates, you see, boom, you get a lot of designs here that you probably love, and you might just want to just edit and proceed with any of them. Okay, so for example, you click any of the design now, just as you have in Photoshop here. You see the toolbar here. In Canva, you might be wondering, oh, how can I get started on Canva? So when I open the design, how do I get started? Where do I click? Where do I proceed from? When you're on Canva, you might want to start with a template by editing a template. If you double click on any of the template, the text, you can write, you can impute your text. Okay, immediately anything you click, a menu up here, you see becomes active. All right, so if you click out now, you see the menu won't be active. Based on what you're clicking, you see the menu active. If it's a text that you can change, you will see the text. You will see it. You will see the text, and you will see the font icon being active. But if it's not a text that you can change, you won't see this font being active. So every part of it is something that you just need to check out when you click on your template. So what are the things that you need to see on this right side, on the left side menu here? The things that you see are templates. I clicked on Easter, and what I got a bunch of Easter um, design templates that I might probably love and want to use. Okay, and if you are good with any of them, you can just click on it. You can click on it, and it just pops up in there, and you can start editing. So the next thing over there is the element. The element is where you get in your color. For example, someone you might have asked yourself, how do I get this is Photoshop, for example. You wanna create shapes in Photoshop. You already know that this you can create a rectangle, you can create a square, a circle, to create a circle, to create different shapes in Photoshop. So, but how do you create shapes on Canva? You create shapes on Canva by visiting the element um, menu, right? So when you click on that element menu, if you see the basic the text are there, you can click on, you can write in the shape that you want, triangle, just click on it and it's going to give you the shape that you want. So you can adjust your triangle as you want. Okay. Basically, whenever you click on the on this element menu, you are going to see the shapes line. You're going to see the recently used element. After that, then you will see shapes. If you click on all, you will see all the shapes that Canva has to offer you. All right. So from here, you can make modification on any shapes that you want for it in Photoshop or in CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator. You could adjust this uh, stuff like this. You can increase the number of the number of size, but here you can't do that because it's a template. Okay, it's already a made template. If you want to do this uh on on Canva, you might just have to find a way to your manipulate the size to achieve what you want. Okay, so this is it. um The next thing that you have is upload, where you have to upload images. You want to add images. Probably you check for images on your element and you're not finding it, or probably you have your own custom image. You just click on this place, and if you click on this icon here, you're gonna see upload. Upload different type of upload. All right, so here you can upload from. All right, so that's it basically. If you want to upload a document, this is also a way you can upload a document. Okay, if you want to upload by default, the files that you upload on Canva are image, video based, and audio based. All right, so importing stuff like Adobe PDF file uh, are not very possible until the latest update that was done on Canva. And if you want to upload right here, you can just click on this to upload PDF document. Now you can upload PDF document, all right, when you use this. But when you use just the normal click and upload, you won't be able to. Okay, so also you can also still do that. I think there's a modification right now that you can be able to do that. Okay, so that is it for that. Then if you need the text, you want to add text to your work. By default, they already use template here. You can look for this template, check for template that suits you. If there's no other one, if there's no template here, you can you don't like if you don't like any of the templates, you can just create your own text, add your text, just type in the text, you know, you add your text by yourself. All right, so then there is a new feature also that is right here on Canva, which is the draw. It's one of the new features that have been added to this tool menu. The draw, it's an amazing tool. You can just use it to draw shapes. Basically, I can use it to draw shapes. You can use it to draw shapes for your work. You could use it to color, use it to make sketches, you could use it to highlight, use it to create patterns, you know. For example, you wanna write a signature. You wanna do a signature. Oh, was that okay? Transparency, not transparency. All right. So I'm just gonna minus. You wanna do signature. You wanna sign something. So, and the good thing about this sketch tool is that it has a select tool. When you click on that select, you'll be able to select stuff on your work. Okay, so there's one amazing thing about the sketch tool. Okay, you can also create lines in thickness. I think you can see thick lines. You can create thick lines. Yeah, right. Okay, that was one reason why I love this sketch tool. You use it to create shapes also for your work. Tell you the truth. You use it to create shapes for your work. It's an amazing tool that we need to find a way to explore. Okay. It's an amazing tool, I tell you the truth. It's an amazing, amazing tool. Okay. So this update on this tool makes Canva more more custom based. Before now you can only create shapes on Canva using this element, but now with this tool you'll be able to create shapes. You could create anything that you want with this tool. Okay, so if your hand are straight enough, I'm telling you, you could create shapes. Okay. Okay, so this is it basically. Next, then we have the project is where you have to look on order of your works that you've done. Probably you want to add something into this very existing work. You could add it from here. You could go with design, you could go with image, you know you could go with image, stuff like this. All right, so that's it. Then the other stuff here are the apps that you might need to connect using on Canva. You don't need to bother yourself with this. You could go with it. You could try it. Then we have the app. No, we have the app already. We have images. You want to add images. Images, we still have these on the element icon here. All right. So here you can search for image. Here you can also search for image. Here you can search for audio, and here you can also search for audio. Okay. Uh, then bulk create. This is a new tool that um, Canva has also added that you can upload stuff from your CSV file and create um, you can create table manually or using the power of AI in the Canva as a Canva feature. You can create stuff. You can try that out. Okay, so that's it. Then you have the folder images that you have saved. You can just check it out. All right, so so that's it basically. So so if you're looking for a great way to create Canva design, this is just a video that will help to guide you to know the importance of all the tools you can just start using right from the start. All right. So uh, let me know if you understand this video. Let me know what you think. If this video has been helpful to you, let me know in the comment section below. If you need some upgrade and improvement in this training, let me know also in the chat session. Thank you.